Shahid Afridi, boom boom Afridi.
Boom boom Afridi.
Oh, boom boom. Boom boom. Oh, boom boom, where have you been?
All right, only one ball to go because it'll be 4 or out.
He goes again, goes big, that's up in the air. And it's 6, Shahid Afridi with beauty. What a win. Pakistan have snatched it. Shahid Afridi has done it. Third man is inside the circle. He's connected this one and it is somewhere in the stands. Just keep a whole box full of balls by the umpire because you're going to need all of those. Manage here. Fastest 50 in one-day international history. Sana Jayasuriya with 17. Yes, ma'am, that's exactly what you saw. I think after they finish celebrating, it'll dawn on this crowd here at Mirpur. They've seen something quite special. 59 from 25. He's taken them to the brink of a win.
That way. Got hold of that. Hog, no, 6.
Big shot. Will this be taken? It's gone.
Gee, that's high. That's really high. How far?
At least 25 more than that.
Hold him, down the slope, drifting in.
Here we go. Change of pace, and guess what?
To get rid of the dangerous Scotty Styris. Well, he can do it with the ball, and he's just done it in the field.
Oh, clean him up. Through the gate. That's another one. 4 of 4. Yes, he's got it. Couple, they've hit that against England.
Down the ground and a biggie. Oh, how well have you played today? How good a 100 is that?